Wonderful, friends. The blue crystal is waking up. Friends, let's help the blue crystal shine together.
Great job, friends. Look how great that howdy, friends. The rainbow is complete.
Everything is so colorful.
Together we restore the blue color.
Hi, friends. Welcome to Rainbow World.
Let's discover something magical today.
Are you ready for an adventure?
Oh no! Look at the rainbow! One color is missing. Missing color. We need your help, friends. Friends, the rainbow needs your help. We will find the colors. Let's start our adventure. Adventure, adventure.
Stay together, friends.
This path is magical.
I wonder what we will find.
Find colors. Where could the color be? Let's look carefully.
Look!
Everyone can look. Bad mouth. I found something. What color is it? That's right. Red apple. Great job. Red is back. We found the first color. Red. Red.
Another color is waiting for us. Friends, let's follow the blue clue together.
I see something blue.
Is it hiding up there?
Blue, blue. Look, a blue bird. Wow, it's so pretty. Heck, let's follow the blue clue. Another color is waiting for us.
Friends, let's follow the blue clue together.
I see something blue.
Red up, lighting up there.
Let's go see.
Wonderful. Friends, you found the magical blue crystal tree. Wow.
The whole tree is glowing blue.
My funny face looks blue too. Can you say blue crystal tree?
The blue color is restoring. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Wonderful, friends. The blue crystal is waking up. Friends, let's help the blue crystal shine together.
Great job, friends. Look how great that howdy, friends. The rainbow is complete.
Everything is so colorful.
Together we restore the blue color. Woo!
That's right. You helped bring blue back to Rainbow World. Look, friends. Rainbow World is shining brighter than ever.
Everything looks so beautiful.
Even the butterfly sponge is so indeed. Great job. You found the color blue. Look at Rainbow World, friends. Happiness is shining everywhere. Wonder.
Say, let's break the canvas.
Look at Rainbow World, friends. We did it together.
Everyone help bring the colors back.
We did it together. Every friend helped bring the colors back.
Wonderful work, friends. You've earned aboard the Blue Rainbow Express. I can't wait to explore Rainbow World. Wow, look at all these amazing rain crystals.
Look, hey!
Technically count these multiple selections.
Oh, my friends. Wait, looks like another thrilling adventure in Emerald Forest. We must rescue the rain disappearing.
Look! The green help on our next adventure.
Today you became amazing blue explorers. Thank you for helping us find the beautiful blue color. I had so much fun laughing and learning with you.
What blue things do you remember?
Wonderful explorers. Our blue mission is complete.
But I'm looking hope.
My Maximus still needs our help.
Thank
Thank you for joining our magical rainbow adventure. If you had fun, tap subscribe and come back for more. Our green adventure's coming soon.
Keep smiling.